We often search for complicated solutions to improve our health. We think that the more complex the routine, the better the results will be. We buy expensive equipment and try challenging workout routines, believing that these investments will lead to significant improvements. But what if I told you a simple, 1-minute habit could unlock surprising health benefits? You don't need to spend hours at the gym or follow intricate workout plans. It's true. Hanging, the kind children do on monkey bars, can positively impact your body and mind. This seemingly effortless activity can be a game changer. In today's world, we spend hours hunched over desks and phones. Our sedentary lifestyles contribute to poor posture and various health issues. This constant slouching wreaks havoc on our posture and spine. Over time, it can lead to chronic pain and discomfort. Just 1 minute of hanging daily can counteract these harmful effects. It's a simple yet effective way to combat the negative impacts of our daily habits. Think about it. Hanging allows gravity to naturally decompress your spine. This gentle traction can provide relief from the pressure that builds up throughout the day. This gentle traction can alleviate back pain and improve posture. You'll notice a difference in how you carry yourself and how your body feels. Plus, hanging strengthens muscles often neglected in our modern lifestyles. These muscles play a crucial role in maintaining overall body strength and stability. Ready to discover the power of the hang? It's an easy habit to start, and the benefits are well worth the effort. Let's explore the surprising benefits of incorporating this simple practice into your daily routine. You'll be amazed at how such a small habit can lead to big rewards. Imagine your spine like a series of blocks stacked one on top of the other. Now picture yourself slouching. Those blocks compress, putting pressure on your discs. Over time, this can lead to discomfort, pain, and even injury. Hanging provides a natural solution. When you hang, gravity gently pulls on your vertebrae, creating space between them. This decompression relieves pressure on your discs, allowing them to rehydrate and heal. Think of it like wringing out a sponge and then letting it soak up water again. Hanging helps your spine regain its natural alignment and promotes a healthier back. We use our hands for countless tasks every day, from typing on keyboards to carrying groceries. These activities, though seemingly mundane, rely heavily on the strength and endurance of our hands and forearms. Yet, we often neglect the muscles responsible for grip strength, the muscles in our forearms and hands. These muscles are crucial for performing daily tasks efficiently and without strain. Hanging is a fantastic way to build these essential muscles. This simple yet effective exercise can be done almost anywhere with a sturdy bar. When you hang, your fingers, hands, and forearms work together to support your body weight. This coordination helps in developing not just strength, but also endurance and stability in these muscles. This isometric exercise strengthens your grip, making everyday tasks easier. Over time, you'll notice an improvement in your ability to hold, lift, and carry objects with less effort. A strong grip is not just about opening jars. It plays a significant role in various aspects of life, from sports to daily chores. It's linked to overall upper body strength and even cognitive function. Studies have shown that grip strength can be an indicator of overall health and longevity. So, by hanging for just 1 minute a day, you're not just building stronger hands, but a more resilient you. This small investment of time can lead to significant benefits in your physical and mental well-being. Our shoulders are incredibly mobile joints, allowing us to reach, lift, and rotate our arms. However, modern lifestyles often lead to tight shoulders and limited range of motion. Hanging can help unlock your shoulders' full potential. When you hang, your shoulders are pulled into a natural overhead position, which helps to stretch and lengthen the muscles surrounding the joint. This improved flexibility can enhance your posture, reduce the risk of injury, and improve your performance in various activities. Section 5. Hanging for a happier mood. While more research is needed, some evidence suggests that hanging may have positive effects on mental well-being. The act of inverting your body, even for a short period, can release endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. Additionally, hanging can be a form of mindful movement. As you focus on your grip and your breath, you naturally shift your attention away from daily stressors. This mindful break can leave you feeling refreshed and more relaxed. Section 6. Beyond the physical, confidence and self-efficacy. There's an undeniable sense of accomplishment that comes from conquering a physical challenge. Even something as simple as hanging for a full minute can boost your self-efficacy, the belief in your ability to succeed. As you gradually increase your hang time or try different variations, you'll build physical and mental resilience. This newfound confidence can extend to other areas of your life, empowering you to tackle challenges with greater ease. Section 7. Simple steps to start hanging. Hanging is a fantastic way to build upper body strength and improve your overall fitness. Ready to experience the benefits of hanging for yourself? This simple exercise can be done almost anywhere and requires minimal equipment. It's easier than you think. With just a few minutes a day, you can start seeing improvements in your grip strength and shoulder stability. Here are a few simple steps to get started. Follow these guidelines to ensure you are hanging safely and effectively. 1. Find a sturdy bar. This is crucial for your safety and to ensure you can perform the exercise correctly. Look for a pull-up bar, tree branch, or playground equipment that can safely support your weight. Make sure it is stable and can handle your body weight without any risk of breaking. 2. Start gradually. Begin by hanging for a few seconds at a time. Don't rush. It's important to let your body adapt to this new activity. As you get stronger, gradually increase your hang time. Aim to add a few more seconds each session until you can comfortably hang for longer periods. 3. Focus on form. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your grip firm. Proper form is essential to avoid injury and to maximize the benefits of the exercise. Avoid swinging or using momentum. This ensures that you are using your muscles effectively and not relying on inertia. 4. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after the exercise. If you experience any pain, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. It's important to address any discomfort early to prevent injury and ensure you can continue to enjoy the benefits of hanging. Section 8. Embrace the hang. A call to action. In a world obsessed with complexity, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Hanging for just 1 minute a day is a small habit with the potential for big rewards. By incorporating this simple practice into your routine, you can improve your spinal health, enhance your grip strength, increase shoulder flexibility, and even boost your mood and confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Find a bar, grab hold, and experience the power of the hang for yourself. Your body and mind will thank you for it.